Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Right now, for second National Peace Convention, with us is our sister, Jamila Benito Di Pantal. Assalamualaikum, sister.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Or should I say, peace be with you.
Yes, sister, I'm so excited na nagkita tayo from Mindanao. You're here at the ICC. What is direct participation of your organization, Yes for Peace, and your other collaborating partner for this second Peace National Convention?
Alhamdulillah, kasi andito na naman po ako sa second conventional peace. Dahil before naka-attend tayo and we are representing the Mindanao and the Yes for Peace size in Mindanao. I'm also the board of director of FL Inspired Change. And of course, we are advocating the peace. Sabi nga ni Director, peace is a future. So, kailangan natin ng peace sa bawat isa upang tayo ay magkaintindihan at magkaroon ng pagkakaisa. We are peace, we are one.
Very good. Hindi ko natatanong iba kasi very well said naman ito si sister na very active from Mindanao. Sukran, Sister Jamila Benito Di Pantal, and sa iyong nakasama, sad na husband mo nakasama mo rin, and sa upcoming baby.
Yes,
Alhamdulillah.
thank you, sister. Ito'y lumaki na rin tong peace, kaya alhamdulillah, andito kami para i-represent itong aming organization. The Yes for Peace. Alright. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.